Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, dear students? Hope so you all are fine. May Allah Ta'ala keep you in His protection. Ameen. Today we are going to start exercise 1.1. First question of exercise 1.1. Given that A part function of x f of x is equal to x square minus x, while in B part function of f of x is equal to under root x plus 4, while calculate f of minus 2, f of 0, f of x minus 1 and f of x square plus 4. These are required terms. Now I am solving first part. F of x is equal to x square minus x, while find f of minus 2. Replace x with minus 2. So given term is f of x is equal to x square minus x. First of all write this one, and after that replacing x by minus 2. Replacing these x by minus 2. Now f of minus 2 is equal to, in place of x write minus 2 square as it is, minus as it is, in place of this x minus 2. Minus becomes plus. This is our required term. The function of f of minus 2 is equal to 6. Second part. For first part, now calculate. Now put f value of x is 0. F of x is given, that is x square minus x. We have to find f of 0. Solution. Given is f of x is equal to x square minus x, while by replacing x by this 0, f of 0 is equal to square of 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0. So this is our required term. Now I am solving fourth part. Given function is, I am solving direct. Given function f of x is x square minus x, while we have to calculate f of x square plus 4. So replacing x by x square plus 4. F of x square plus 4 is equal to, in place of this x put this value, and in place of this x also put the same value. X square plus 4 square as it is, and in place of x again put the same value, that is x square plus 4. Now like formula of a square, a plus b whole square, x square of square plus square of 4 plus 2 into ab. First term is x square, second term is 4, while x square minus 4. It becomes x4 plus 16 plus 8x square minus x square minus 4. So the final calculation is x4 plus 7x square plus 12. This is our required function. These are too much easy questions. Second part, f of x given function is here f of x is equal to under root x plus 4, फाइंड f of -2। जहाँ जहाँ x नज़र आ रहा है वहाँ पर हम लोगों ने -2 पुट कर देना है, यही हमारा सोल्यूशन है। सोल्यूशन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट्स इन सोल्यूशन गिवन टर्म f of x इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट x प्लस 4। नाउ रिप्लेसिंग x बाय this term -2, f of -2 is equal to under root term as it is -2 plus 4, f of -2 is equal to under root 2. This is our required answer, required solution. Now I am solving fourth part for B, that is f of x is equal to under root x plus 4, find f of x square plus 4. This part, this is B part, and I am finding the value of f of x square plus 4 for this function of x. F of x is equal to under root x plus 4, replacing x by x square plus 4 by this term। जहाँ जहाँ x नज़र आ रहा है वहाँ पर ये टर्म हम लोगों ने पुट कर देनी है। f of x is equal to under root as it is, in place of x write x square plus 4 as it is, so this becomes x square plus 8. This is our required solution. Remaining questions have same solution, so try to complete question number 1. Now we are starting question number 2. Find a plus h. Find a plus h minus find f of a plus h minus f of a over h and simplify where these are given terms। f of x is equal to 6x minus 9। इस क्वेश्चन में पहले हमने x की जगह पर 6x minus 9 पुट करना है, फिर f of x जो है sin x पुट करना है, फिर f of x x क्यूब प्लस 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 और f of x इज इक्वल टू cos x, ये हम लोगों ने फाइंड करने हैं। एज f of x इज गिवन 6x minus 9, रिप्लेसिंग x बाय a plus h। f of a plus h is equal to 6 as it is, in place of x a plus h minus 9. This becomes 6a plus 6h minus 9. So we have calculated the value of f of a plus h. Now find f of a by replacing x with a. So right here, now replace x by a. F of a is equal to 6a minus 9. Now our terms becomes, we have to find f of a plus h minus f of a over h. So f of a plus h value is 6a plus 6h minus 9, while f of a value is 6a minus 9 divided by h. So it becomes 6a plus 6h minus 9 minus 16a minus 9 divided by h. 6a plus 6h minus 9 minus 6a minus 9. By removing bracket, 6a plus 6h minus 9 minus 6a minus 9 minus 6a cancel out with plus 6a, minus 9 cancel out with plus 9, This is plus 9 minus minus plus 6h divided by h. This h is cancelled out with h into both are in numerator and denominator. So our required answer is only 6. So we have find the value of f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. This is our required value.